Yo, I figured I'd remember to shoot an intro this time because I always forget. Yeah. So anyways, third Saturday is rolling in the dough. Sunset. Look at this. Look at this beauty right here. Oh my God. What's up, my LS SWAT brethren?
What is up, dude?
Let's look at some Nissans. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at this. Oh, wow.
So it was built in like 96. It's a 95. It was built in 96 in Bakersfield.
Nice. As you can see, filled up pretty nice. A lot of sweet rides here, just like last month. Got room for a few more. What's the point if I can't get my truck when I'm going to an event?
You are now in the presence of a...
Why do you look like you've been doing all the work?
Well, I pointed the wrench, and when I point the wrench, my hand goes with.
Oh, okay.
So it's the hand.
It's like a Harry Potter wand situation. David, what's going on with your truck?
Getting a fresh new engine going in here, man. Getting something new going.
Dude, that's so cool. Sorry I got over here late.
Or dirty and old.
Sorry I got over here late. I planned to just do what Keith was doing anyways.
I held that chair down.
That's all I would be doing.
This one down pretty good. Well, that's all Tristan knows how to do. He can't drive.
It came apart pretty good, huh? What do you think?
I didn't see you.
Look, they got all the wires out the sides.
Didn't even brush your hands.
Huh. Isn't that cool?
Okay, you carried the core support out. Okay.
Can we get your dad a little shifter hoodie?
What'd you do?
Well,
Held the chair down.
That's pretty sick. His truck. Pretty low. Cool, huh?
Oh, so it's still almost.
He made his truck really low. This thing's really tall. His wife's truck? That's his wife's truck. It's cool, huh? Cool, huh? Isn't that neat? You see? Look at her bars. They're all sparkly too, huh? Isn't that cool?
Built not clear in 18. So I had to order basically new spindles, but to make it cheaper, Andy just sent me raw spindles, so I'm cutting the pins out of my other spindles to press them into new spindles so I can weld them.
You see the-
See what I screwed up back there?